Hello, inventive friend. Welcome to a brand new kitchen adventure. Are you ready to whip up the most scrumptious BBQ sauce in just 5 minutes right at home? Forget those store-bought bottles. Today, we're making a fresh, zesty sauce from scratch, bursting with flavor. All you need are a few simple ingredients, a dash of creativity, and a sprinkle of fun. Imagine telling your friends, "Oh, this sauce? Made it myself." They'll think you're a true kitchen wizard. So let's dive in together and start our saucy adventure right now. BBQ sauce is the magical potion that transforms any meal. Sweet, tangy, smoky, and utterly irresistible. It's the secret to making grilled meats, veggies, and even chips sing with flavor. People love it for its bold taste and versatility. One sauce, endless possibilities. Make it sweet, spicy, or somewhere in between. You're the master of your own blend. Homemade means no mystery ingredients, just honest, delicious flavor. Whether you're a BBQ fanatic or a casual griller, this sauce brings everyone together. Ready to make your own secret formula for deliciousness? Every great chef needs their tools and ingredients. Before we dive into the delicious world of homemade sauce, let's make sure we have everything we need within arm's reach. Think of this as your culinary treasure hunt, gathering up all the essentials that will transform simple pantry items into something truly mouth-watering. Start by grabbing a sturdy mixing bowl and your favorite whisk or a trusty spoon. These are your magic wands for blending flavors together, so pick ones that feel good in your hands. For the sauce, you'll need a few familiar friends. 1 cup of tomato ketchup for that classic base, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar to bring a rich caramel sweetness. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for savory depth, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard to brighten things up. Don't forget the spices. Sprinkle in 1-2 teaspoons each of onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. These little additions pack a punch, layering in flavor and a gentle smokiness. The best part? These simple ingredients are likely already waiting for you in your kitchen, tucked away in cupboards and on shelves. Each one brings its own special note to the mix. Sweetness from the sugar, tang from the vinegar, depth from the Worcestershire, and a hint of smoke from the paprika. Together, they create a symphony of flavors. No fancy gadgets required, just your enthusiasm, a few basic tools, and a dash of curiosity. Cooking is all about making the most of what you have. Take a moment to assemble everything on your counter. Laying out your ingredients not only keeps you organized, but also makes the process more fun and stress-free. This is your flavor toolkit, each item ready to play its part in the recipe. With everything in place, you're set for a smooth cooking adventure. Now, with your gizmos and grub at the ready, let's roll up our sleeves and get mixing. The main event is about to begin. Time to mix. Pour all your ingredients into the bowl. Ketchup, sugar, vinegar, Worcestershire, mustard, and spices. Grab your whisk or spoon and stir with gusto until smooth and glossy. Watch as the sugar dissolves and the spices blend, creating a rich, vibrant sauce. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have a BBQ sauce that's thick, shiny, and packed with flavor. Taste and adjust if needed. This is your creation after all. No lumps, no fuss, just pure homemade deliciousness. Well done. You've made your own BBQ sauce in under 5 minutes. Here's where you become a true flavor artist. Customize your sauce to suit your taste. Think of your kitchen as your creative studio, and this BBQ sauce as your blank canvas. There's no single right way to do it. So let your imagination run wild and don't be afraid to experiment. Like it sweeter? Add a bit more brown sugar or a spoonful of honey. You can even try maple syrup or agave nectar for a different kind of sweetness. Each sweetener brings its own unique flavor, so taste as you go and see what you like best. Want more heat? Stir in hot sauce, cayenne, or red pepper flakes, a little at a time. If you're feeling adventurous, try chipotle powder for a smoky kick, or even a dash of sriracha for a tangy, spicy twist. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. so build the heat slowly. Try new flavors, cumin for earthiness, black pepper for warmth, or even a splash of pineapple juice for a tropical twist. You could also experiment with smoked paprika, a hint of garlic powder, or a squeeze of fresh lime for brightness. The more you play with different ingredients, the more you'll discover what makes your taste buds sing. Make small batches and experiment until you find your signature blend. Jot down your favorite combinations and don't be afraid to ask friends or family to taste test. Sometimes, the best ideas come from unexpected places, or from happy accidents in the kitchen. The possibilities are endless. Let your taste buds guide you. Your kitchen, your rules. Whether you like it tangy, smoky, sweet, or spicy, you're in control. Every tweak brings you closer to a sauce that's truly your own. Who knows, you might invent a new family favorite. So have fun, trust your instincts, and celebrate your creativity. Because the best BBQ sauce is the one that makes you smile. Your homemade BBQ sauce is ready for action. Don't let it sit in the jar. This is your moment to get creative and bring bold, smoky flavor to every meal. Whether you're firing up the grill or prepping a quick weeknight dinner, this sauce is your secret weapon for transforming ordinary dishes into something unforgettable. Brush it generously on grilled chicken, ribs, or veggies for a sticky, smoky glaze that caramelizes beautifully over the heat. The sauce clings to every bite, locking in juiciness and adding a mouth-watering layer of flavor. Toss roasted cauliflower or veggie skewers in it for a flavor boost that turns simple vegetables into the star of the show. Even tofu or tempeh can be elevated with a quick toss in this sauce, making plant-based meals more exciting. Spread it on burgers or sandwiches for a gourmet twist. Layer it under your favorite toppings or swirl it into mayo for a zesty, smoky spread. It's perfect for pulled pork, grilled cheese, or even breakfast sandwiches. Use it as a dip for nuggets, chips, or onion rings. It's also fantastic with fries, roasted potatoes, or even as a tangy dip for fresh veggies at snack time. Try it on pizza as a bold base instead of tomato sauce, or stir into baked beans for a smoky kick that takes them to the next level. You can even drizzle it over nachos or use it to top baked potatoes. This sauce is a true kitchen multitasker. Let your imagination run wild. Mix it into salad dressings, marinate tofu, or brush it on corn on the cob. The possibilities are endless, and every experiment brings new flavor. With your homemade BBQ sauce, every meal just got a whole lot tastier. So go ahead, slather, dip, drizzle, and enjoy the delicious results with friends and family. Look at you. Homemade BBQ sauce in just 5 minutes. No fancy equipment, no long waits. Just quick, delicious results. The kitchen is calling, and your next great invention is only a few ingredients away. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it your own. Roll up your sleeves, have fun, and enjoy the rewards of your kitchen adventure. A world of flavor is now at your fingertips. Happy saucing. Your creation is sure to be Grommet approved.